How to send a video on Tinder. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send a video on Tinder application. So basically let's open up a Tinder, and to go to your chats you need to click the second from the right button in the bottom section of the screen. So as you can see, I don't have any chats, but the people you've matched with would be listed in this section. You just open up the chat, and if you want to send the video, you need to go and click the GIF option, which I believe would be the third option in the attachment menu. And when you select the GIF option, you can make a GIF from your video, or you can select any picture and make it loop to make it a GIF and just send the GIF to the person. But the only catch is I believe that both of you needs to be on 100% complete profiles. So as you can see, mine is on 10%. I have only 2 pictures and no interest, no bio, no anything. Both of you needs to be on the 100% completion profile to be able to send videos. So basically that's it for today's very quick explanation tutorial. I hope you guys get the point, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. So if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.